Mike 392, and I got this. Y'all gonna get this yellow Lamborghini coming through here. Here we go. Check that out. Yeah. Oh, they running. He must gonna be getting down on it. I can't run up there. I just have to hear it. That's that Lamborghini. I know he's gonna scream down there. There's a lot of people waiting on him to do something. There's a lot of people down there waiting on him to cut up. Yep, everybody leaving now. Time for me to go. It's gonna be a long ride on, man, because my legs is hurting, my hip is killing me, but it was worth it. That's that Lamborghini getting off. Yeah, it's gonna be a long day for me. My legs are hurting, my hips are hurting, but that's okay. It's worth it, man. Get it for my subscribers. Appreciate you guys, man. Motorcycle. Yeah, this has been a gold mine for me as a new subscriber. I mean, new creator. It's been a gold mine for me on this day. I'll never forget this day. I never thought when I started my channel I would see this many cars in one place. This is like given, man. And I thank my friend, Brother B. Houston, man. You guys give him some love on this channel. I wouldn't have known about it if it were not for him. I appreciate you, Brother Houston. I appreciate you, brother. I put it in his face. One of the little pretty boys. Oklahoma City Police. Po-po.
This is my friend Jacob. He goes
It's 40 degrees out in these fools out here wearing shorts. That's crazy. 40 degrees out here wearing shorts like it's summertime. There's that Maserati. So I'm going back to my car and I'm out of here. I've had a fun day, a wonderful day, and a blessed day. I was blessed by God to be out here on this day. It's a blessing. So this is where it's all at, man. How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
All right, thank you. So I'm right back where I started. Here's my car. Hello. Well, that's it. This car's out here, but all the hot rods and all of them gone. But anyway, I had a wonderful time out here, and you guys have a great day and a blessed weekend, and I'm out. Uncle Mike 392, and I'm signing off. This is it. Late.